Our infinite capacity to problem solve has led us to develop the Shark Slider Nano, providing you with minimum form factor, flawless bi-directional 2-axis camera movement. Designed for filmmakers who require absolute portability and total reliability, the Nano goes where you go. Precision gesture control technology provides fast, accurate, reliable, and repeatable track movement, perfect for both interior and exterior location work. Superior brushless motors provide reassuring silence in what can be a noisy world. Compact and lightweight with lightning speed deployment, the Shark Slider Nano provides you with an all-in-one slider solution which is simple to use no matter where you find yourself. Minimum power consumption, exceptional runtime, and USB-C charging means you'll never miss a shot. Flexibility is key. Operate using either our IPS touchscreen or our standalone app. The Nano turns your smartphone into a powerful motion capture device packed with tons of features. Designed to accommodate your needs, your work, and your play. The Shark Slider Nano. Dependable camera movement, whenever and wherever you need it.